I will show you now how to connect the interface with the computer and how to use the software. Okay, at first we have digital. Yes, it's the Pyroignition Control 1.4.3. You can find it on our homepage Zündanlage.at on Feuerkunst. Yes, you see the Pyroignition Control Point exe. Yes, and you see the plugins. Okay, in the plugins there is your system data about when you use the Super Bfire FSK or when you use the Kingdom. Yes, here inside there is the DLL, the informations of the system. Okay, moment. I do it here. So at first we go to driver. Driver is the driver. Yes, you must install the interface. Yes, okay. You put it on the driver. There is the driver exe. You click it on it, and now the driver is installation. Now we connect the interface to the computer, and now there is the green one. You see it? Okay. And now it found a new hardware, US serial port. Yes, new hardware found it. Okay. Now we are do it again. Installation, and now installation driver. Point is duration about 10-20 seconds. Then the installation is done. CDM driver complete. Okay, now we have installation the USB interface for all systems. Now we are going to look in the system styling, the system hardware manager, hardware manager. Now we're going to connections, and now we see the US serial port on COM12. Yes, we must store it in our minds. There is the COM12. Okay, we'll go back to the software, and now we can open the Pyroignition Control the first time. Now he asks us about the language. It's German, English or Russia. Okay, now we took the English one. Okay. Now this is the software. It's really easy. This is the spectrum. You can load your MP3 inside there. You have the queue list. You can make queues and see the status of the queues. And here you have a plus to make a new queue in your music show. And here is play, stop. It's really easy. But I think we begin easy. Now we go to options. Options, yes, options, options and options. Now we see the general options. Use security password or mark shoot queues. Mark shoot queues is good that you see who queue is shooted. Okay, we mark queue shoots, and global delay you need it only when you have a delay in your wireless system. Yes, you must test it. Okay. The spectrum, you can change the colors and the whites, and so handfire, check it the same output, use twice. Yes, you can set some informations from the handfire modus. I think it's not important now. And the output, it's very important. You must choose the COM port. We have 12. Oh no, not 9, 12. And we have the Super Bfire, no. We have the... it's not so important, but we use it, the Super Bfire DLL. Normally you find your Super B-Fire FSK inside here, and then you must use it. Or you find the kingdom inside here and must use it, or the Pyro operator, or a system how you use. Yes, but the interface must compatible to this system. Okay, now this is the interface for the kingdom, but it's not so important because I want to show you to use the software. Okay, we take the Super B-Fire DLL, connect by hands, option start connect. Yeah, we close it. Now we go to this button to open MP3. Now we take one from Katy Perry. Oh, it's cool. Now we can play. Yes, you hear? We can play the MP3. Stop. Okay. Now it's loading. This computer is not really fast because it's only an old one. Using younger, please. Okay. Now we have loaded the MP3. Now we can play and stop. Okay. Now we want to make the first cue. We play. Okay, stop, play, pause. Yes, and this point 2.488 we like. Yes, we click on it. Now we have it marked yellow. Yes, you see, we have it marked yellow here. Okay. Now we go to the plus, push it, and now we can choose the slave ID. ID 1, output 1. Now ID 1 is the system 1 and the output 1 is the first cue. The break time we have clicked here is 4.425 and the duration we can give 30 seconds and the delay of the effect is 2 seconds. Then we can give the position and the angel, but I don't know if you use that. You can do that. You give a description, Vulkan. Yes, it's a Vulkan. Okay, and now you can push save. Now we have a first cue here. You see it, it's green, it's slave ID, output 1. Here is all the informations. Okay, now you can press the plus and give another time, 5 seconds. You give slave ID 1, you give output 2, and the position middle, 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 and the angel 45 degrees. And this is a bomb. Okay, the duration is about 3 seconds and the delay is about 3 seconds. Okay, and save. So now we have the second cue 1 second later. You see it here? Okay, it's very easy, and now it's calculate the ignition time. Yes, the break time, the effect time is 4.425 and the ignition time is 2.425. He have calculate the effect time. Yes, it's very easy to use. Let's see. And now we want to make a stepper. We take the right mouse, yes, push it on this and set a sequence. Now, number of sequence 10. Okay, the delay time, please enter. It's about 9 seconds. Okay, add sequence. Now we have 9 sequences. All durations between Q and Q is 9 seconds now. It's very easy to make fast sequences. Okay, this is to make a music show. It's very easy. You can to manipulate some, push it, and you can put another slave, another output, how you want. There is a special stop. When you slave ID stop and then save, then the show is stopped here. And then you must press again start show. It's good when you have long shows. You can stop here and wait to the people, and then later you press start and your show goes again. Okay. This is very easy. Now you have here the hand fire modus. Here you can press the plus. You make show number 1, queue number 1, slave ID 1, output 1, and description, and then OK. Then you have the first queue. The second queue, slave ID 2, 2, 1, 2. OK. Then you have the second. So you have a manual firing mode here. Yes, you can go here and press the button and shoot it out. And shoot it out, shoot it. Or you reset all and fire next queue. You press 1 and it steps 1 and 1. It's really easy. You have 3 parts to programmation and you can try it. It's for free. Then you can press the reset. Now you go back and now you see the reserve buttons. The first 8 you set in the handfire modus are visualization here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when the show is running, you can press Q1 and shoot the first reserve out. Okay, I forgot one. When you go here, you can make an effect database. You can put all your effects inside this and you can choose it, and you don't must give the effect, the caliber, the duration, the delay. It's all saved. You go here to do that on the database. You can go to plus and category, producer, effect, caliber, duration and delay, and save. Then you have all your effects that you use every time in the list, and you can get here and get it inside only with a click. It's very easy and very fast to program. You have a zoom in and zoom out. You can zoom in, then you have it a little bit tinier. You can go in details when you are very detailed people, okay? And yes, this is this. When you are ready with this, you go to arming the software, and now it's ready to shoot. But first, we must do something. We go to the window, to the ignition system, and now we see the Super B fire. ID 1. We have to use 9 IDs and can fire 9 different boxes. Now it's easy. We choose the COM12, okay. And now we have to look on this LED. Yes, when I push the button Super B Fire einlernen, you see the red one is blinking. Yes. Now we can learn it like your hand transmitter. You go to learn and then you send a signal to your firing system. It's very easy. Then it's ID 1. You can choose the ID 2. Then you go to your firing system, push the learn button, and then you go to Super B Fire einlernen. Then it sends a signal and then it's connected to the ID 2. It's really easy. Okay. Then when you are ready with the learning, you close it. Then you go to show data. Zack, show options window. Sorry. And then you go to options and connect. Now they are standing in the status down under. You don't see it here? Yes, you see it. Connect with COM port 12. Okay, now we have we are connected to COM port 12. And now we can arming the software. Now there is standing start show. We can press start show, then the music is running and the set cues are going out. Now we have the easy fire modus too. We can look, this is the SID, this is the box number. Also we can use 9 Super B fires or 8 Kingdom systems, or with bus we can use 20 Kingdom systems. Yes. Okay, and the Super B-Fire FSK you can use 9 systems too. Okay, you see the boxes 1 to 9 when we use the Super B-Fire FSK version, and here you see the queue number, and here you see the name that we have programmation like description Vulkan, and here you see the delay time. And now when we started, these points go to the middle slow, and when it's the shooting time, then it's flashing up and you see the time is running to 0, and then the time is running back to the next queue. It's a cool gadget, I think so. Okay, we start the show now to simulating. Now you see the points plug and flash and flash. And yeah, now you see here's red, he's shooted, and it's gray. Gray, it's like burning. Red, yes. Yes, you have see? It's come a signal, and the signal is the shooting. There are some. Okay, I stop it, and when I go to the queue, to the reserve, I can send it between this. Okay, it's really easy, you see? Yes, now you have a stop here, and here stops, and continue show. The show is going on, and you can shoot between the show. Your queue is out. Okay, then we pause the show. Okay, we close this. And now you see it's really easy. The duration between the queues, it's queue speed on each system is like different. The Super B-Fire FSK, you must fire all queue 2 seconds out. Then you can also shoot only every 2 seconds 1 queue. You must look at your programmation that you do that like this, but then no queue is firing when you do 2 queues at the same time or in this 2 seconds. The Kingdom, the new Kingdom with the bus, is firing very fast. You can go 200 milliseconds between queue and queue. The old Kingdom systems are 500 milliseconds between queue and queue, and the Super B-Fire are 600 milliseconds between queue and queue. Yes, our new system will have 10 milliseconds between queue and queue. It's coming soon.